back here to our final maths lesson of the week. We're going to tie everything together with our multiplication and division. We're going to look at number families with three numbers where we can make four sums, two multiplication and two division. So we're going to start with 24, 8 and 3. So let's start with 8. Times 3 equals 24. So what we're going to do is just change the numbers around. So we're going to start with 3 times 8 equals 24. So for division we start with the biggest number, which is 24, divided by 3 equals 8. So again, start with 24 and we just change it next two numbers. So 8 and 3. Let's take a look at the next one. 18, 6 and 3. So we have 6 times 3 or 18? 3. So it must equal 18. Now just switch the numbers. So 3 times 6 equals 18. Now for division, we start with the biggest number, which is 18. Divide it by 6 and we get 3. So again, we're going to start with 18. It's the biggest number. We're going to divide it now with 3. And that gives us 6. I hope you're seeing a pattern now between multiplication and division. Let's look at a few more. We're going to start with 16, 8 and 2. So we start 8 times 2. The biggest number will be at the end. 16. 2 times 8 equals 16. Now put the biggest number first. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So again, we're going to start with 16. We're going to divide it by 2. And now we're going to get 8. Our next number family is 48 and 5. So let's go. 8 times 5 equals 40. So let's do it the other way. 5 times 8 equals 40. So we're going to start with the biggest number again. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. So again with the big number, 40, divide it by 5 equals 8. Our next number family is 50, 10 and 5. Let's go. So 10 times 5 equals 50. Now the next one. 5 times 10 equals 50. So we're going to start with 50 because it's the biggest number. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. So 50 divided by 10 equals 5. Our next number family, 45, 9 and 5. Let's go. 9 times 5 obviously makes the biggest number, 45. So let's change them around. 5 times 9 makes 45. Now biggest number first, so we're going to start with 45 divided by 9 makes 5. Again, start with a big number, 45 divided by 5 makes 9. We're going to do a few more because practice makes perfect, and then I'm going to leave 2 for you to do. So let's look at our next group. 77, 11 and 7. 11 times 7 makes 77. Now let's put them the other way. 7 times 11 makes 77. So big number first, 77 divided by 11 makes 7. So now we need to do 77 divided by 7 makes 11. Our next number family, 36 and 5. So we're going to start with 6 times 5 makes 30. Just change the numbers around. 5 times 6 makes 30. Now division, start with a big number. 30 divided by 6 will make 5. So that means 30 divided by 5 makes 6. Our next number family is 6, 3 and 2. Are you ready? 3 times 2 makes 6. So turn them the other way. 2 times 3 makes 6. 6 is the biggest number, so we start with that. 6 divided by 2 makes 3. So again, start with the big number, 6, divide it by 3, and we get 2. Our next number family, 24, 8 and 3. So 8 times 3, big number is the last one in division, we get 24. Turn them the other way. 3 times 8 makes 24. Now move the big number first. 24 divided by 8 will make 3. Right, let's start. 24 divided by 3 makes 8. I hope you've seen a pattern now, year 2. I want you to pause the video and do the remaining 2 questions yourself. Next lesson, we will look at them together. I think by now we understand the relationship between multiplication and division, and I hope it's much easier for you after these lessons. When we come back, we'll look at the answers that you completed. Until then, please take care and enjoy your holiday, and I'll see you very soon, year 2. Goodbye.